After bringing all of that in, so I got all of this. I went to Lidl, and usually we do an Asda shop, and we usually spend about £100. This line is horrendous on shopping. Now I went to Lidl today, and I've got a lot more stuff than what I usually get, because a lot of shopping online, you don't, I don't know, browse. I don't know if you can hear that, so that's my washing machine. But you don't browse as much, whereas if you're in the shop, you end up picking up a load of stuff that you didn't need, which is definitely what I did. However, I only spent £80, which is a saving, and I got a lot more stuff than I usually would. So let's unpack all of this. Putting the shop away, and now we've just come for a nice walk. We've got a really nice like a long walk where we live, and it's just really friendly, and we are on a walk. Yeah, it's very toddler friendly, isn't it? Although Lila does keep trying to eat mud. Yeah. Have you found?
It's the bud.
Oh really? Is it a leaf? What's that? That is a stick. Mummy's got the stick that you gave her as well. It's a lovely stick. Who's this? Who's this? Is that George? And have you got a rainbow? Yeah. Really? I don't know if you can hear me over Moana, but that walk was a disaster. If I'm honest, a lot of today has been not a disaster. Lila's just very toddlering. But yeah, she has been very, I don't even know the word. So we was in the doctor's earlier, and she screamed because she wanted to play with the door. We went shopping, and she was screaming because she wanted to stand up in the trolley, like in the actual seat bit. What else? I went for breakfast with a friend this morning, and she just wanted to run round, which to be fair doesn't surprise me. She wanted to go on a walk, but she didn't want to go on a walk. She wanted to be carried, but she didn't want to be carried. Yeah, so that's how my day's been so far. And now chilling and watching Moana. That is like her favourite thing at the minute. Although she asked for Nana, and I was like, a banana? You can have a banana, of course you can. And then she got very angry at me when I gave her a banana because she actually meant Moana. I'm gonna take 5 minutes, just let her chill and watch Moana, and just breathe. Are we at Nanny and Granddad's? Playing the piano? Oh, you got a muffin! Wow! That's so nice! Come on, let me have some. Yeah, we don't touch bees, do we? Pretty bee. Climbing up too. I don't think this is going to go very well. Hey guys, it's the next day. Sorry for being quiet. I've just put Lila down for a nap. But I am about to tackle all of this washing. I've got washing here, washing there, I've got a few bits. I almost out of breath. Look at this that I picked up for Lila. So her birthday's not until November, but I'm starting to like pick bits up here and there when I see them. This line's awful. And I saw this in Sainsbury's. It was a £12 and I picked it up for £4. I was like, how can I not? So I'm gonna put that in Lila's little birthday box where we're collecting bits for her. It's been an interesting morning. So the past like few days, Lila's been quite emotional and just very toddlering, like I said to you. Yes. But I thought it was just her like being a toddler, as just toddlers do. But she woke up this morning and she had this rash, like her whole ear was red and she had a rash coming around her face. It's going down her neck and up her head. And I thought it was an ear infection originally. So we took her to the doctors this Saturday today, but our doctors has like a walk-in service. And to be fair, we've got to see him within like 20 minutes. And turns out I can't remember the actual name of it, she's got a skin infection. And we think, so because she's been hot and sweaty, she's been itching the back of her head and she gets like little scabs. And we think there's been like a really tiny like bit of bacteria that's got in it and it's just caused an infection. So we've treated it with antibiotics because it can spread quite quickly. So that's potentially why she's not really been herself the past few days and she's been like, I don't know, just a bit upset and a bit emotional and clingy. So that's been our morning. We went on a walk. I did take the camera, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did take you with us, but I forgot to film. We ended up going for a walk with Luke's brother, Luke's brother's girlfriend and their dog. So it's been a lovely morning, but now Luke's cooking us some lunch and I've got to tackle this mess because I've just been putting it on my kitchen table and it's just been building up and let's get it done. With this little Lila. Next one in front of you. I get well off. Are you gonna go see Nanny?
Yes.
Yes, what has Nanny got you? Can you tell me what Nanny's got you? Is it a Barbie? Mum's bought Lila her first, it's called My First Barbie. I think it's like a squishy version of a Barbie. And she's told Lila over FaceTime and now every time we say go see Peppa Nanny, she goes, Nanny Barbie. Are you gonna go get a Barbie? Luke's such a gentleman. We're gonna go pick up my nan, so he's turned Radio 1 off and he's put Smooth on. Who are we listening to Smooth Radio? What's Nanny got you? You've been spoiled, you got Barbie. It's squishy. It is, it's squishy. It's not like a normal one, is it? I remember playing with the Barbies when I was younger. Oh.